Hello, fellow green thumbs. Welcome back to MKIRIKACHA TV, the home of juicy tomatoes, clever garden hacks, and that sweet feeling of harvest success. Now, we all love tomatoes, right? Fresh in a salad, cooked in a stew, or straight from the garden with a sprinkle of salt. Mwah! But what if I told you that your tomatoes might be secretly suffering because of a few common planting mistakes? Today, we're diving into the biggest tomato planting blunders, and most importantly, how to avoid them. If you want healthy plants, bumper harvest, and zero frustration, this one's for you. Let's dig in. First up, mistake number 1, planting your tomato seedling way too deep. Listen, tomatoes are not submarines. They don't like to dive too far. When you bury that stem too deep, especially past the leaves, you risk root rot and weak growth. Instead, plant it just deep enough to cover the root ball. That's it. Quick tip. If your seedling is leggy, bury up to the first set of leaves only, not the whole stalk. Keep that stem proud and breathing. Your tomatoes will thank you with juicy fruit later. Tomatoes love water, but they hate wet feet, so mistake number 2, planting in soggy, compacted soil. Poor drainage turns your tomato bed into a swamp. That means suffocated roots and, yep, again, root rot. Fix it like a pro mix and compost. Add some sand if needed. Or better yet, go raised beds or mounds. Think of it like giving your tomatoes a comfy, breathable mattress instead of making them sleep on wet cement. Tomatoes are sun worshippers. Mistake number 3, planting them in the shade. They need a minimum of 6 hours of direct sun each day, preferably more. Shade equals no sun equals no energy equals no fruit. That's basic tomato math. Walk around your garden and find the brightest, most sun-drenched spot. No cheating. If your tomatoes aren't getting a tan, neither are you getting a harvest. Now here's the sneaky one, pests and diseases. They love tomatoes almost as much as we do. From aphids to tomato hornworms and the dreaded blight, once they attack, it's game over, unless you act fast. So don't ignore the signs. Yellowing leaves, holes in your plants, sticky stems, that's a red flag. Inspect your plants regularly. Use neem oil or soap sprays. Practice good garden hygiene, like rotating crops and removing infected leaves. Organic methods work wonders if you stay on top of things. Your tomatoes will reward your vigilance with juicy, pest-free goodness. Alright, garden warriors, let's recap the mistakes to avoid like a bug on a hot leaf. Don't plant too deep. Fix that soggy soil. Let the sun shine in. Keep pests in check. Now go out there and plant like a pro. Your future tomato sauce depends on it. Got any wild tomato stories or hacks? Drop them in the comments. We love learning from you too. And hey, if you found this video helpful or just love watching your garden grow, hit that like button, share with your fellow farmers, and subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV for more green goodness. Until next time, happy planting and may your tomatoes be plump, proud, and pest-free.